Ooh, Deadlock.
This card's committed during
I've never
the
used that card before
checking,
either,
that's
so
more
I'm
the
like...
I've never used Deadlock against it.
I didn't even know it had a Deadlock in it, so I just played it. And I was like, ooh.
Done one, please.
Alright, I'm good to go.
I'll just go ahead for you.
No, you never know. I might not do it.
Checks a 5.
I might not. Seriously, I might
Go
not.
on. Alright then. I pass.
Your stun attack gets +1 damage.
Got a 5.
Pass.
Checks a 5. Wow.
I'm going to
How yours?
destroy this to give it a damage.
Pass.
Then I'm going to give it +1, 2, 3.
Glamour is
1,
a
2, 3,
life
4,
card?
5, 6.
Is Glamorous a
1,
life
2, 3,
card?
4, 5, 6.
Glamorous? Is that a life card?
Glamorous.
Yeah.
That's the one how it flips the face down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's an Earth card.
I believe it.
Yeah.
Yes, because his cards are all life.
That's fun.
I'll send
Grace
it there,
got none.
Jacob.
How big is the deck?
Oh no, I didn't count.
Full block.
Sure.
And then you're going to throw a second one.
Oh yeah. 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
We get 300 chop it
I'll
around.
just go ahead.
I was like,
and
throw a
commit
high
that
attack.
to you.
Or beat or something.
And then I
This is
will
lingering
give
now.
it plus how much now?
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Unfortunate. I'll send it there. I'm going to fully block it.
Nice.
No, we're only going to half block it. 4, 5. 5. Half block.
Half block.
Don't have many other options.
On a 4. Checks a 5.
So dealt damage. No.
3 low for
no,
4.
Dealt damage.
Yes. And one of the cards that you flipped is
Any of this
Oh, and then sorry.
No,
because the one that did
First
damage.
enhance. Cool.
Yeah, so
draw
this
one.
is this and these two. Sorry,
both
sorry.
Oh.
This is it. This is one,
Yep.
and that's it. Just
Oh,
these
God.
two. So this can be ready.
Pass.
Doesn't matter to me.
Because
My next punch,
the lock
3
does
damage.
this one, because that
Yeah.
one does damage, and then that one does that, taking the damage.
Man, it'd be nice if I could actually have a board instead of being committed in my turn.
I mean, that's all it does, right?
Yeah, I'll pass.
No! That's what you suddenly do. You know what? I get rid of you. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
I'll send it. 3 low for 4.
I'll take 4 and I'll just flip that and build top card.
Yeah.
Next turn.
Which health are you on? 17. Okay. Pardon back a
Come
couple.
on, brain. Think.
5 passes. Any responses?
No responses. I'm committed on responses.
Okay. I'm going to destroy. Face down, that's the issue.
Sorry.
No traps. I'll take CCs.
Yeah, I'm going to destroy 2 face down foundations.
I drew a card and now I don't know what to do.
2 face down foundations to give it +4 damage.
I'll pass.
I'm going to.
I think I just do that on a 5.
I don't want to just use ridiculous
If you
stats.
half block it, you take
Checks
2
a 3.
damage.
I'll pass.
I'm going to then do EX2.
Pass.
Do I want to do it twice actually? Give me a second. I might decide to do it twice. I'm going to do it
I don't
twice.
know what the right
Sounds
thing
good.
to do is, whether you commit or just blow it up.
And I
Five?
will
I don't know.
I was just thinking to blow it up, but
give one.
You reckon?
sorry.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I don't know.
And I'll send it.
You're probably right.
If you're gonna string more.
Use full block.
5, 6, 7, 8. It was 10 damage.
Yeah, you're
10
probably right.
damage.
Anyway,
Shots.
4 mid for 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yeah.
What have you got?
Actually, you're completely right. Anyway, my next attack is +2
Yeah,
difficulty.
then-
Yeah. Does that mean
Um,
it's harder to check?
yeah.
Yeah,
+3 and +3.
Which passes?
Yours.
This is Flash.
okay. I'll pass.
Any responses?
I'll commit flip. My next check
Send
by a
it
block
for
or an attack.
three. Dutch. Unblock.
My next check gets +2, so that goes away.
Yeah.
Harden Blitz. 6, 7,
I will.
5, 6,
Pass.
8. I meant
You got it.
first enhance.
4 minutes 7.
Destroy one foundation if you have 5 or more cards in my discard pile with red or hardened. I assume I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So I get plus 5 damage.
I break 1.
Nice.
11. Yep. Pass. Half block, you take 2 damage. This is +1 speed for every
That's useless now.
foundation
Alright,
destroyed
yeah.
this turn. which
Good
is
call,
3.
Greg. You should be playing this deck.
Yeah, we've got it next one.
On a 4, 5, 6, 7.
It's a good card, because that card
Check to
it's
5,
any foundation
6,
destroyed,
7.
including your
Yep.
stage.
Oh, including mine.
So
Because
it's
this thing, you didn't have any face downs, but
That's a
this
lot.
Yeah,
destroys
correct.
2
Yeah,
face
yeah,
downs.
What?
This
Just
destroys
like it's
2
a lot.
cards.
5, like
Yeah,
8.
yeah.
Fucking hell, man.
You saw, I only have one of this card in the
I'll
deck.
combo enhance, it gets
Because
+2
this is one of the
speed.
new
You've taken
combos.
damage this turn, so it
Course
also
you
gets
find,
+2
eh?
damage.
I've got 1, okay? But it's the card that I'm hunting for.
I'll use the effect and
I want to have at least 2 of it.
Don't show me what
Yeah, I'm
it
not going
is.
to show you.
You do the thing.
Yeah.
If you try and block this
Good.
attack with a
It's a
non-attack
really good
card,
swing
your
attack.
block gets
Yeah.
-2.
By the time you play it, you definitely have 5
Of course.
attacks.
Oh, 100% you do.
And it's just 5 damage.
Oh, no. It's a fucking
Kirishima won a
waste.
game. Woo!
Gosh, these things are horrible, man.
What's this one?
Did you buy those recently?
Yeah, I bought them on Amazon from Gameology.
Yeah.
I pass.
And,
7 low for 10. Take
They're
it.
horrible.
I mean, I'm now waiting for $40.
Please.
Something like that. Yeah.
I
Nice.
had to email it again.
I'll respond to the
email to
Rappa,
cancel
and
all
I'll
that
discard
made
that
in
to
Poison.
play that again
that-
on a
that
4,
no
5,
longer
6.
That they no longer have, right?
Checks a 3,
I have to
4,
email
5.
Because that's how good
Six.
games. It's emailed to good games.
Oh, okay. Three
So
minutes.
it's
I'm emailing to
2 low
because I
for
ordered
5.
from here.
I'll combo enhance, it gets +2
Email
speed, you
here
take a damage, it gets
to-
+2 damage.
Have them cancel the order from January.
Which pattern was it?
The Toga one. You know, the one that I was really looking forward to.
So stupid how they made him pre-orders and then
Didn't even make enough.
didn't even make him to Australia.
Let's commit him.
Like,
Using
I could understand they
Does
sell.
Minion card have like, a
If you
sale
try
on
and
the
block
website?
with a non-attack card,
did.
check its -2.
Yeah.
I don't know. I didn't.
Yeah,
want-
and then
I
I'll
bought
send
from
it.
here because that's where I'm.
Yeah,
not gonna pay
I've got
shipping
to check
when I
for
can
it.
just pay
So,
for it from
So
here.
it'll be
I guess it's
what,
It'll be
4,
two
5,
skips.
6,
You wanna go
7,
first?
I'll go first.
8, 9.
I do want
huh?
Because -2
You
to
wanna
your
cut-
check,
No, you're fine.
to your block.
But if it's, it has to be an attack to. So if it's a
So
foundation.
if you try to block with an attack with a non-attack card, your check gets -2.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Okay, this.
So if it's anything other than attack,
It's 9 yard.
3,
yeah,
3, yeah. 4, 5, 6.
you can fail it.
Actually, no, I won't.
Huh?
You can fail it and discard it if you want.
What does that mean?
It means if you're
Drawing
like, I
extra
fail
card?
that block, you can discard that from the card pool.
Oh, okay.
You don't have to leave it there.
Yeah.
I understand.
Anyways, I'm blocked.
Okay.
That
That's
learning
six.
stand on that turn did save me.
it 100% did. Really good.
On a 7,
Kirishima is assistant.
5, 6, 7. It's the same attack.
Red right.
Um,
Did you know Red?
It's gonna be a 4 plus whatever.
Yeah, it gets +2, +2, and -2 to your check to block if it's not an attack.
And
Now you're gonna
Again.
talk to me about the first game, and you're